Volcanoes! Hawaii is full of them, both dormant and active. However, on Hawaii's main island lies the crown jewel of volcanic activity in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. While the other Hawaiian National Park, Haleakala, contains a currently dormant volcano, Hawaii Volcanoes is full of magma boiling under the surface and constant lava flows brightening up the landscape. Let's take a look at some geology, history, and wildlife to give you the essential facts on this mystical national park. Two major volcanoes reside in the park, Mauna Loa and Kilauea, the former meaning Long Mountain in Hawaiian and being the largest active volcano on the planet, and the latter meaning spewing and being the youngest active volcano in Hawaii. Both volcanoes go through continuous periods of eruption and dormancy, with Mauna Loa's last big eruption occurring in 1984, and Kilauea's being a 10-year continuous eruption between 2008 and 2018. Both volcanoes are currently inactive, with a shallow lake forming in the crater Kilauea starting in 2019. However, it's only a matter of time before these explosive landmarks blow their tops once more. During these eruptions, visitors are likely to see lava, thought by the Hawaiians to be the physical form of Pele, the volcano god. There are two main types of lava, A'a, which is fast-moving and hardens into rough, jagged chunks, and Pahoehoe, a slow, runny lava which hardens into smooth ropes. One common mistake visitors can make is figuring out the difference between magma and lava. Magma is the hot, molten rock while it remains underground in the volcano. Only when it reaches the surface does it become lava. While the volcanoes are actually relatively young in the history of the Earth, with the Hawaiian Islands being formed between 5 million and 1 million years ago, they still massively predate the existence of humans and the discovery of the islands themselves, which didn't occur until between the 1st and 9th centuries. After the discovery of the islands came settlement, happening around 10,000 to 1200 AD. Eventually, competing ideologies led to many people wanting control of the area until a warrior chief united the islands in 1795 under the banner of the Kingdom of Hawaii. The royal family ruled over the kingdom in Honolulu on Oahu Island until the islands became a U.S. territory in 1898. The volcanoes became a national park in 1916, along with the neighboring Haleakala volcano on Maui to form Hawaii National Park, and it remained that way until the two areas were separated, giving the Hawaii Park the current name of Hawaii Volcanoes. Over the years, the park has had its fair share of visitors, including the author Mark Twain, who visited the area before Hawaii became a territory, traveling to the area in 1866 and publishing a series of newspaper entries called The Letters from Hawaii. While visitors like Twain go to the park to see volcanic activity, many others go to the park for a different reason, to catch a glimpse of the unique wildlife in the park, some of which can only be found on the island of Hawaii. Several species of bird can be found within the borders of the park, including the nene, the state bird. Humpback whales and green sea turtles frequent the shoreline, as well as multiple other smaller marine specimens, including crabs and other bivalves, located on the rocky cliffs constantly being hit by ocean water. While many helpful animals inhabit the park, a few invasive species also populate the Hawaiian Islands. Brought to Hawaii in 1778 via the explorer Captain Cook, European pigs and goats devastated a lot of native plant populations and gave rise to invasive plant species like fountain grass, an ornamental grass brought over from Africa, and the Asian sword fern brought over from, well, Asia. Learning about these invasive species can help you identify them and return the park to its original beauty. There are lots of things to see at Hawaii Volcanoes, and any visit to the park should start at the Kilauea Visitor Center, which has detailed exhibits about the natural wonders, Hawaiian culture, and volcanoes of the park. Then, take the Crater Rim Drive, or the Chain of Craters Road to view the imprint of the volcanic activity on the landscape, as well as the ever-changing sea arches, located in the secluded rocky cove, and petroglyphs left by the ancient Polynesian explorers of the islands. For those wanting to hike the area, many trails crisscross the park, ranging from easy day hikes at Kilauea Crater to multi-day treks to the awe-inspiring summit of Mauna Loa. The many offerings of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park make it the perfect place for those who like adventure and the uncertainty of nature, always changing, sometimes right before your very eyes. Hawaii Volcanoes is just one of America's many national parks. Your national parks. Spectacular wonders just waiting to be explored. And enjoy the spectacle that is Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.